So you need a chiropractor, but who do you choose? Chances are you're in an area where there's 5, 10, maybe 20 chiropractors around you, and it's tough to decide who's going to be the best fit for you. My name is Dr. Paul. I'm the sports and family chiropractor here at Koru Chiropractic in Louisville, Colorado. And here are 5 questions to ask yourself and or your chiropractor to determine if they're going to be the best fit for you for your care moving forward. The first question to ask yourself is, what technique is right for me? There are certain demographics and certain conditions that fit into different disciplines of chiropractic better than others. For example, if you're an athlete, you should be looking for a sports chiropractor to give you that comprehensive approach to either get you out of an injury, keep you well, or prevent an injury from happening. If you're pregnant, planning on becoming pregnant, or just had a baby, looking on the ICPA website for a perinatal certified chiropractor or someone in that discipline of perinatal chiropractic is going to be really important for you. If you have any neurological symptoms such as seizures, migraines, traumatic brain injury, concussions, things of that sort, seeing an upper cervical chiropractor like Dr. Norris here at Koru is going to be really important for your health and care going forward. Now, you can always ask the chiropractor what technique they use or what demographic they typically see within their patient base to get an idea of where their specialty is. Now, there are disciplines through chiropractic that certain chiropractors can be familiar with, but you want to find the one that's best fit for you and what you're looking for in your care. The second question to ask yourself is, what's their expertise? Now, this is kind of in line with the first question because what we're really trying to do is understand where the chiropractor's niche is. There are definitely chiropractors that learn a lot of different things to take care of a wide variety of people, but if you're looking for something a little bit more specific, you're going to want to find a chiropractor that's studied a little bit more specific in a certain area. For example, if you're pregnant or planning on being pregnant, finding a perinatal chiropractor is going to be way more impactful for you in your pregnancy journey than someone that just knows a little bit about chiropractic and how to adjust a pregnant patient. The third question to ask is, how do other people feel about this chiropractor? This is typically the one that we jump to first when we're searching for a chiropractor on Google. We're going to find their reviews, how many there are, how many stars they get, and the public opinion on them. This is really important because we want the public opinion of this chiropractor to be good. We want them to have a really good patient experience. We want them to be comfortable through this entire process. But also you can find certain cases and stories that match up with yours to give you a little bit more comfort in your experience for your condition when you're going in to see a chiropractor. The fourth question to ask might take a little bit more digging, and this one is, what's their community involvement? Typically, with chiropractors that are involved in the community, that shows that they care a little bit more about their community's health and well-being through being involved in different things like educational meetings, lunch and learns, farmers markets, things like that, that can really get them out in front of people, showing face, and taking patient care beyond the office and into the public to share what they know about chiropractic and the body to help more people. The fifth and final question is going to be how the first visit goes. So you can either look up on reviews to see how that first visit made certain patients feel, or you can give this chiropractor a try if they've checked off the first 4 boxes of your 5-question questionnaire. Going into the office and seeing the vibe of the office, seeing the vibe of the staff, checking out the chiropractor and seeing how they are, how comfortable they make you, and how this experience is going to be really important for the long term of your care. Nothing happens in a chiropractic office when someone's like, oh no, I'm gonna get hurt, I'm scared, I'm uncomfortable, right? Change happens in ease and acceptance and understanding of what's about to happen. That's something that you can definitely get a gauge on with certain reviews, but it's something you're also probably gonna need to experience for yourself. So after vetting the chiropractor pretty deeply, going in and understanding how that first visit went is going to give you a good idea of how the longevity of care is going to be for you. So, how do you find a good chiropractor? It's way more in depth than just searching up on Google best chiropractor in blank area and then just picking the first one and going with it. Going through this 5-step checklist of what technique is right for you, what the chiropractor's expertise is, what other people say about them through reviews, what the community involvement of this chiropractor is, and how that first visit goes is going to be really important in picking the best person for you to give you care through time. If you're in the Louisville area or the surrounding Denver metro area, Koru Chiropractic has a ton of different options. Myself as a sports and family chiropractor, and Dr. Norris is an upper cervical chiropractor to be able to serve whatever you may need.